Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I'm by Eau Claire, by Chippewa Falls. I'm at the Pioneer Days, and it's going on, folks. They got some nice equipment here. They got a car show coming in here. And this gentleman here, what's your name?
Tim DeWitt.
Okay, where are you from, Tim?
Osseo, Wisconsin.
Okay, and you said you're a member of this club and stuff.
I am a member of the club here at the Chippewa Valley Antique Engine Club.
So how many years has this been taking place?
This is our 62nd Pioneer Days.
Your 62nd?
Yep.
Did you do it kind of similar this whole time with the farm theme? And
It's always had a farm theme to it. It has transitioned over the years to try and keep it fresh.
Okay.
So there's always new fresh things every year.
And these guys are selling corn here. I just had a piece that was really good. It was $2 only. And I want to thank you guys and gals. Have a good one.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm going to get this case here first. That's a steam tractor, folks. That's a case. Do you know what year that is?
I believe it's 1906.
1906. The thing is beautiful. It's got the mighty Case Eagle on the front. It's got the chain steering. It's got the steel wheels, folks. Yes. And there it is. There's a coal caddy. This one says Case on there. They haul coal in there. And there's some wood. Because somebody's got to fire this steam engine or it won't produce. Okay. There's a McCormick Jerry. All right. We got some more steam here. That's a mighty Rumley.
Yep.
How's it going?
Good.
How's this thing running?
Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks nice. What year is this one?
04.
1904?
Yep.
What was the earliest steam tractor?
That I couldn't tell you.
This is really old. La Porte, Indiana. That's where they make those. Let's take a look at this one. Now the mighty Case. And there's the Minneapolis Moline. This here is your water level in your bladder. This thing is warm, folks. They retain the heat. Yeah. Look at the smoke come off that Rumley. Hi.
Hi.
Is this your tractor?
No, I run it though.
Oh, you do?
I do.
What is the story on this?
This is built from a kit in 1990.
Okay.
It's a half scale to a 65 case.
To a 65 horsepower case?
Yes. Yep. And this is 8 horsepower.
This is 8.
Yes.
And you were running this sawmill?
Yeah. The half scale sawmill. Yep.
Half scale with half scale.
Yep.
Well, that's cool.
My husband and I own the sawmill.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Yeah.
What is your first name?
Connie.
All right, Connie. It's nice meeting you.
Thank you.
You're gonna have to look yourself up on YouTube and Facebook and TikTok.
Oh, thanks.
I love your tractor.
Thank you.
All right. We're gonna work our way down here. And they got another steam tractor. They're running a sawmill. Howdy. It's running hard, folks. She's burning diesel, even though it's a boiler. Okay. You got a nice set of these up there in this area. This guy from Stanley owns this one. This is a super small Rumley. That baby's working. It's coming back for another layup. folks. You gotta love it.